After Justice A.K. Ganguly, another case of sexual harassment has come to light. Sources have told Headlines Today, sister publication Mail Today, that another law intern has complained about a sitting Supreme Court judge accusing him of sexual harassment, and that complaint has been made to the Chief Justice of India. But the court decided not to entertain any new complaints. Sources have told us that a senior law officer sent an affidavit to the Chief Justice affirming in a sealed cover that another intern had levelled allegations of sexual harassment. The source adds that a full court meeting that comprises all the judges of the Supreme Court convened to take a call on the Ganguly issue. A decision was taken then that no more complaints against retired judges will be entertained by the court.
I can only say that the Supreme Court has a duty to investigate into it. I am nobody to say whether the allegation is right or wrong. That is the function of the judges to decide.
Ma'am, this is the second case, and Supreme Court, in the earlier case, Ganguly case, Supreme Court has done nothing in this. What do you say? Who's the authority?
I completely disagree with you that the Supreme Court has done nothing. I think the Supreme Court has done more than can be expected of any institution. They can only decide prima facie what is right and what is wrong. Well, after that, the law has to take its own course.
So what is the nature of the complaint, ma'am, which is reported? What do you say on
it? Is a complaint of sexual harassment.
Is the direct case of?
In my opinion, yes. But of course, the judges are free to form their own opinion.
Cases are coming, ma'am. Earlier it is Ganguly, now it is this judge. What do you think? If the judiciary is, the cases will come on the judiciary, the social impact of these cases, the general public or the other, institution.
I think the social impact will depend on how the judiciary handles the situation. If the judiciary is willing to look at it and correct itself, the social impact will be very positive, because it will restore the confidence of the people of this country in the judiciary. And of course, it will restore the confidence of women in the judiciary, and it will be a very big step forward for gender justice, just as Justice Ganguly's inquiry report has been a milestone for gender justice. That is the social impact.
How they'll take up the case in the beginning, ma'am, the second case, which is...
Well, she has asked for an inquiry. Let us see what happens.
It will take, ma'am, time?
That I can't say. I don't know.
You just received the complaint.
Ma'am, please... The Supreme Court received the complaint. I am not a decision maker. I am an Additional Solicitor General of India. I am an individual. I'm not a decision maker.